Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the Proform 430i treadmill in our in-depth review for 2025. If you're on the hunt for a reliable home workout machine, this one has been making waves for its balance of features and affordability. Let's jump right in and break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your fitness routine. First off, the pros. One of the biggest wins with the Proform 430i is its compact design, making it perfect for smaller spaces like apartments. It folds up easily for storage, which is a game changer if you're tight on room. The treadmill boasts a solid 2.5 chp motor that handles speeds up to 10 miles per hour, great for both walking and running sessions. Plus, it comes with a 5-inch backlit display to track your metrics like distance, calories, and heart rate. Integration with iFIT is another highlight. For 2025, it's got improved Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless streaming of interactive workouts right from your tablet or phone. And at around $500, it's budget-friendly compared to high-end models. But, as with any product, there are cons to consider. The build quality feels a bit lightweight, which might not hold up as well for heavy daily use or intense runners. We've heard some users report squeaky belts after a few months. The incline feature only goes up to 10%, which is decent but not as versatile as competitors offering 15% or more. Also, the console interface can be a tad clunky, with limited customization options, and it relies heavily on the iFIT app, which requires a subscription for full access. That could add to your costs over time. Noise levels are another downside. It's noticeably louder than quieter models, especially on harder surfaces. Overall, the Proform 430i is a solid choice for beginners or casual users looking for an affordable entry into home cardio. If you're a serious athlete, you might want to explore more durable options. I'd recommend checking out current deals in the description below and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. Word count: 385.